Namaste friends. Today we will talk about an important pediatric problem that is the bedwetting, medically known as nocturnal neurosis, along with the causes, symptoms, pathophysiology and homeopathic treatment and how to manage. What is bedwetting? Bedwetting is the involuntary passage of urine during sleep in children older than 5 years, when bladder control is normally expected. It is common in children and usually not a serious disease, but it may affect the child confidence and emotional health. The causes of bedwetting: delayed bladder maturation, nervous system controlling bladder develops slowly. Child cannot recognize bladder fullness during sleep. Genetic factor: family history is common. If parents had enuresis, children are more likely to develop it. Deep sleep pattern: child sleeps very deeply and does not wake up with bladder signals. Hormonal factor: reduced night secretion of antidiuretic hormone, that is the ADH. Increased urine production at night. Psychological causes: stress, fear, school pressure, birth of sibling. Medical causes: the chief causes are urinary tract infection, diabetes mellitus, worm infestation, and constipation. Sign and symptoms: wet bed during sleep, child unaware of urination, deep sleeper, embarrassment or low self confidence, irritability or anxiety, frequent night urination in some cases has been observed. Pathophysiology: normal urination requires coordination between brain, that is the cerebral cortex, spinal cord reflexes, bladder muscles, and urinary sphincter. In bedwetting, bladder fills during sleep. Brain fails to respond to bladder signal. Detrusor muscles contracts involuntarily. Urine passes without awakening. Hormonal imbalances, low ADH at night may increase urine production, worsening the condition. Now, homeopathic approaches. Homeopathy treats bedwetting by individualization, considering child temperament, sleep pattern, modalities, associated symptoms, and emotional state. The important homeopathic medicines are Sina, irritable child, grinding teeth during sleep, worm symptoms, bedwetting with restlessness, causticum, Bedwetting in first sleep, weak bladder sphincter, urine escapes during coughing or sneezing. What are the best remedies for enuresis, causticum? Sepia. Sepia is especially for girls bedwetting. Weak pelvic muscles, indifference or irritability. Now coming to one of the most important medicine, that is the equisetum hyemale. Equisetum hyemale symptoms are frequent urination, large quantity of urine, no pain but persistent enuresis. Creosote, deep sleep, bed wet soon after falling asleep, offensive urine odor. This is the symptom of creosote. Pulsatilla. Pulsatilla children are very mild and emotional. Needs company and reassurances. Worse in warm room, better in open air. This is the main symptom of pulsatilla. Potency. 12C commonly used in children, 30 or 200C in chronic or constitutional cases. Repetition of drug depends on symptoms intensity and response. Always take the advice of a homeopathic physician who is the best prescriber according to totality of symptoms. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.